Hey, if you want to record calls on your Realme 11 5G, you can check if this function is actually available for you by going into the phone dialer, then going into the settings. On the three dots in the right upper corner, open the settings, and here you will find the call recording function. This phone comes from the European distribution, so unfortunately this function is not available right here. But if you have the phone from other distribution, there's probably you will have this function just right here. I find that on the Asian distribution there's the function, the call recording right here. But if you are from the Europe and you want to still record calls, you can do this by downloading this application, the call recorder cube ACR. So thanks to this application you will be still able to record calls even when this function is not available as default on this phone. And that's how it looks. So right now please subscribe to my channel and see you on the next one.